it comes. Goes all the way up. Ooh. That one's,
Yes.
goes up.
Finale.
This is the best fireworks day I've ever seen. And the best fireworks day ever.
Best ever, huh?
Watching it all from behind the screen.
Going above me and around me.
Saying fireworks are her most
Grand finale.
ever in the whole world. More than anything else. More than marine world.
Windy. We don't want to miss this one.
No.
This one is the grand finale. It goes high.
Yeah, it just keeps going, huh?
Yeah. I don't think I can hold this long.
Look at the
So
gold.
can you hold this?
Oh, sorry.
You
I got it. Okay. Woof. There's the smoke.
Big smoke.
Mm-hmm.
Can I put my hand on the
Okay, bye.
Yeah, way cold, wasn't it? Yeah.
Oh.
I know, that's like grand finale smoke, huh?
This is gonna take me a long. Boy, dude, so happy. Well, he's so happy. I told him. Yeah, she's in Roseville.
Dude, this is going for more than 2.5 minutes.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Exactly 2.5 minutes.